Correctly using RBC points is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First one is travel. This is the most popular use for RBC points, offering redemption for flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages through the RBC Rewards portal, or by transferring points to partner airline loyalty programs. Then we have merchandise. Redeem points for a variety of products like electronics, appliances, home goods, and gift cards from popular retailers. Next, financial rewards. Use points to pay down your RBC credit card balance, contribute to an RRSP, or invest in RBC mutual funds. Charitable donations for it. Donate points to various charities and support a good cause. Prioritize using points for travel, particularly business class flights or premium hotel stays, where the value per point can significantly exceed the cash cost. Also, you can transfer to airline loyalty programs. Research transfer bonuses and sweet spots for specific airlines and routes to unlock potentially better value than the standard 100 points equals $1 Canadian redemption rate. Consider strategically combining points and cash for bookings to stretch your points further and add flexibility. Keep an eye out for RBC Rewards promotional periods that offer bonus points or discounts on specific partners for enhanced value. Decide what you want to achieve with your points, whether it's a dream vacation, financial benefit, or supporting a cause. Track your points and expiry dates. Stay informed about your point balance and expiration dates to prevent them from going unused. Research options and compare values. Before redeeming, compare point cost across different partners and redemption categories to maximize your return. Understand any associated fees or blackout dates for specific partners and booking options.